Hello guys, welcome. In today's video we are going to be earning USDT from this new staking platform that I'm going to show you guys right now. So this is what we are going to be earning cumulatively in a week based on the conversion rate from a dollar to a naira, which you can see right here. You can see a conversion rate around 1,625. So quickly let's get started on this platform. All you just need to do is to click down the pinned comments, the link in the pinned comments of this video, or you check the description box. It's going to bring you to what you see right here, and then you click on open app. You can also check down their Telegram channel. Every detail is in the pinned comments once you click on the link. So I'm going to be recharging with around 25 USDT, and I'm going to be earning an interest in the next 3 to 4 days. So let's get started. All you just need to do is to recharge. Now before you recharge, you are going to know the interest rate that you want to earn. You can see right here you can actually unlock with 12 USDT or 25, or depending on how much you can afford to let go. So quickly let's do it this way. As I'm done recharging, if you want to recharge, you click on recharge right here, and then you are going to see that they are going to give you different address that you can make do of. You can see we have USDT BEP20, we have BSC BEP20 USDC. It has different network. Now the one that you are comfortably using, that's what you are going to use. For me, I prefer to use USDT BEP20. I copy it and then I go fund it. So quickly let me just unlock my tax. If I click on this tax right now, you are going to see this is what I'm going to be earning every day, 6.20 USDT, right? So once I click on it, it's going to give me 6.20 USDT based on how much I stake, which is 25 USDT, right? So if I go here and click on me, you can see I'm earning 6.20 USDT, right? So if I click on withdraw right now, so this is accumulative around almost 10,000 naira on a daily basis. So let me just quickly withdraw this right now. Remember, I'm withdrawing 6.20, so I'm earning around almost 10,000 in a day. So let me just quickly go right here to withdraw it. I'm making use of USDT BEP20 network, so let me just click on USDT BEP20. I click on receive right here, and then I go right here and then I paste it. Remember, for you to be able to do this right, you are going to discover that they are going to ask you to paste if you want to withdraw, right, they are going to ask you to input a login password, and then you are going to confirm it. So that login password that you are going to input, that's what you are going to use to confirm. All you just need for this is a login password. You can see right here that my withdrawal is successful, and I'm still going to go back and show you guys so you can actually confirm for yourself that the withdrawal is successful. So like I said again, I want to show you guys the various level of upgrade that you can do. Now you can see for 25 USDT I'm earning around 6.20. so let's do some brief calculations so that you can see for yourself. So you can see if I'm earning around 6.20 on a daily basis, right, so that's 6.20 right here multiplied by 7 days is going to give me this 43, right? So 43.4 multiplied by the conversion rate of a dollar, which is 6.25, you can see it's even around 70,000 plus. But you understand, what I'm going to encourage you guys is that make sure that you are withdrawing on a daily basis. Now after you are done using this amount, right, you are going to come here, you are going to observe that they say tax reset countdown. So every 24 hours I'm going to come here and click on tax. The tax icon is the second icon counting from my left, and I'm going to click on what buy. So once I buy it, so this quantify process is being done every 24 hours, and it's being done based on your what interest rate. So you can see on a daily basis right here I'm earning this interest rate. So depending on how much that you are staking right here, for example, now let's say if I wanted to stake around 12 USDT, this is supposed to give me around 2 point something on a daily basis on interest rate. So that 12 point something USDT, it is something you can go confirm it in naira, so you can see how much you are earning. That's for those that are watching this video in Nigeria. However, if you are not watching this video from Nigeria, you just briefly know how you can actually calculate this based on your own local currency. You can see this is a digital space, and this actually, based on the fact that it supports cryptocurrency, you can actually go convert it to any amount based on your own currency. You can convert it from USDT to your own currency, and you sell it through P2P. Now let's quickly go check their Telegram channel. If you want to check their Telegram channel, all we just need to do right now is to just click on official channel right here, and it brings us to this. You can see the channel was just created, you can see it right here, right? But I'm already earning from this platform, and I'm going to show you guys my cumulative earning on this platform. So quickly let me show you guys my Telegram channel, just in case you have any question that you might like to ask me. The link to my Telegram channel is in the pinned comments of this video. You can also participate in different token adoption like airdrop, so you can actually earn money from them. Please, if you are seeing my channel for the very first time, I want to encourage you all to make sure that you are consistent in farming social value. This is Taker, and my number one alpha that I'm farming on my Telegram channel is called Caladio Testnet. Caladio Testnet is actually a good airdrop for you to participate in. So make sure that you find your way down to my Telegram channel so you don't miss out on different updates in the cryptocurrency space. You can see this right here. This is actually trading, so make sure you are not missing out on any detail, find your way down. This is Kaladio that I'm telling you guys about. It's actually a token that you can earn from. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and ask me any question in the comment section. Thank you guys.